Hello, welcome once again to my channel. So today I want to briefly show you how you can search for details, information, files and folders in a WhatsApp group. Now this is a very common mistake that most WhatsApp members always make in a WhatsApp platform. As long as you are a member of a particular group on WhatsApp, and you have been a member since the admin or other members have shared some information, files and details on the platform, you don't have to be asking them to reshare whenever you need the details once at any time. Now I will explain to you different methods by which you can use to retrieve the information yourself. The first one is using the search method. Now, to use the search method to receive the details, now let's assume you want to search for, you are on a WhatsApp platform now, WhatsApp group rather, the Career Connect group for example. Now you now want to retrieve an information that has been shared long ago. Maybe you've forgotten where you are with the information, but you want to retrieve the information. That is what you do. Now click on these three dots that you have at the top right hand corner here. These three dots at the top right hand corner. So once you click on the three dots, you come to search. Look at search here. You click on search. So once you click on search, you can see at the top here it has opened a search bar for you, asking you to type something. Now what do you want to search for? Let's say you want to look for something like let's say you want to look for past question. You're looking for a particular past question. Now you can just type the first word, past, and you click on search on your keyboard, search, and wait for it to load. Now after a few seconds, you will see that it has brought up some details. Now look at this place here. This is to search back, to search down. Now you click on the top one. Everything has to do with search, has to do with past, to bringing it for you till you get to where you're actually going or what you're actually looking for. Now let's click quickly. I've clicked again, but now I've seen past questions and answers. If you have passed it, so let's go back again. Now you can see this is past question and answer. You can just click on the link and you get it. That's the first method that you can use to search for details on the WhatsApp platform. Now the second details is this. Now, when the information was shared on the platform and you're interested in that detail but you don't want to lose it, or you want to use it for some other time, now you just simply click and hold the information. Let's say this information that has just been shared now, you want to save it for later use. Just click and hold it. Then you look at this star at the top top bar here. Look at this star that we have here. It's called favorites. You click on it. Now you can see that the details here has been starred at this bottom part here. It means you have saved that detail as a favorite on this group. So whenever you now want to locate this detail once again, you want to get it back, you simply click on the group detail, on the group the information, the group on the group name here, on the group name at the top here. You click on it. Then you now scroll down and look for favorite starred messages. Now this is starred messages here. Look at this place, starred messages. And once you click on starred messages, we just start only one, which is what? This Career Connect CFIB practice test, because you have started it, so it's now bringing it for you right away. So the more details, the more the information you start, the more it will be appearing on the start messages. So that's another method to easily get your details on the WhatsApp platform. So those are details ways by which you can get details on the WhatsApp platform. So those are the two methods I want to share with you tonight. I want to share with you today. Some other time I'll be sharing more other methods with you. Thank you very much. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.